Hey guys, Lockie here from 782 Motors, Classics, Lowriders and Muscle Cars. Got another really cool car to show you today. It's a 1956 Chevy sedan delivery. Quite a rare body style, this one, and it's just a really cool example. It's got a full custom trim inside, back's all decked out. Under the bonnet is a 383 stroker. It's got a 4-speed Muncie. It's got 605 power steering upgrade, disc brakes, great commercial vehicle. Slap your business name down the side or just get it out for a cruise.